Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to change app icon. For this, right-click on Resource folder. Create new image asset. Now select the app icon that you have created. In trim option, select yes as per your wish. Click on background layer. Select color and change the background color. Instead of color, you can also use image as background. For now we are using color. Change the name of the asset. Now click Next and then click on Finish. In Minimap folder you can see your created asset. Now go to the manifest file. Change the IC launcher to your newly created asset. Now delete the old image asset. Let's run the app now. Here you can see the icon of the app is changed. In this way, you can easily change the app icon in Android Studio. Please hit like and subscribe button and also press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Also, share this video. Thanks for watching.